Is the volume on Zoom too loud compared to the other programs on your computer? Fortunately, you can lower just the sound of Zoom so you can hear the rest of the programs on your computer, and we will show you exactly how to do that. So first, try lowering volume outside of a meeting. To do that, open the Zoom application, click the gear icon, select audio on the left sidebar, then drag the slider on your speaker to the left. Now press test speaker if you want to preview what Zoom will sound at the new volume level. Another method is to lower volume if you're currently in a meeting. Do it by hosting or joining a Zoom meeting. Click the upward icon next to the mic or headphones icon. Then click the audio settings and drag the slider under speaker to the left. Lastly, you can use the Windows volume mixer. Do it by right-clicking on the speaker icon on the taskbar, click Open Volume Mixer, then drag the slider down under the Zoom application. And those are the possible ways on how you can lower just the Zoom volume on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.